Here's a riddle. Why is it cheaper to fly from Burbank than LAX, even though it's the same city? Because you've just stepped into the Twilight Zone of airports. Seniors often stick to the big airport, but the smaller ones are often cheaper and easier. Burbank, Orange County, San Jose, those little guys can save you 50 to 150 bucks a trip. Use Google Flights to compare all airports around your city. Don't be loyal to the airport. It doesn't love you back. Think of it like supermarket shopping. You wouldn't pay $5 for milk at one store when it's $2.50 at the shop across the street. So, the next time you book, shuffle your airports and shuffle your savings. That's how we survive in the twilight zone of aging. Learn more in my book, The Twilight Zone of Aging.